Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and now let's dive into it. So for that, the very first thing would be for you to simply update your app, because some updates are available and if you haven't done so, you won't get the access. Now go to App Store or Play Store, go to search bar, type in Facebook and see whether your app needs an update or not. Go ahead, tap on it, and you can see for us it simply shows the open. That means it's updated. Now we're gonna in the bottom section, we're gonna find the marketplace option, right? And if you're not, then you're gonna tap on this menu option in the bottom right, tap on settings icon on top right, scroll and access this preference section where you're gonna find this option of navigation bar. Go ahead, tap on it, tap on this option of customize the bar, and see if marketplace is pinned or not. You can see this are auto, and in hidden, if in case, tap on this icon, make it hide. And if your marketplace is in the hidden section, then you will want to show it. That means your app is updated already, you have got the feature, but it's just not on your navigation bar. You can see it's also removed from our list. Now tap on this hidden, tap on pin, and you can see it just pops up there. So that is what you have to make sure of, and you're good to go. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.